Hello students, welcome to Praishu Edu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Intelligent Test, and the topic is code language, so specially symbols for the letters. So in this video we are going to see exercise 10.3. So before the exercise there are some model questions also given, so we will make the overview for this one. This already solved in our book. So question number 1 and the 2 common instructions in a code, the letters are represented by the symbols as shown in below table. So as per this one we have to solve the question number 1. So question number 1, the letters and the symbols. So question number 1, how will you write the word KANYAKUMARI using the above symbols? So K means that is this one, so and this symbol is shown all the options. So after this K there is a and A having these two lines vertically, so this is also shown all the options. After this one the N means this O, but here the different one, so option number 2 is incorrectly. Here star is mentioned, so option number 4 is incorrectly. Now here the two circles means 1 and 3 options can possible. Then y is a square, so here also the squares this same symbol. Then a means these two lines same is shown here. After this one the k this symbol also shown in both the options. After this one the u having this symbol, so this symbol is shown in option number 3, but option number 4 having this different symbol, so option number 1 is incorrectly. Then we will go through the checking for option number 3 further. So then m means this triangle like a symbol, so this is shown here. Then a is this symbols correctly, and r means this symbol, and this I means this one, this is correctly. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Then from the group of the symbol, this one which word is formed? So from this one star means R, so this is a R. This symbol is for the A, this symbol is for the I, so this is a I. Then O like a symbol, this is a N, so this is the N. Then this symbol is here D, so here the D. Then A, and this is a for the Y, so means that is a Y, means this is rain day. So and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 3, in a certain code language RUB is written as this symbolic form, then CUB is written as this symbolic form, and OUR is written as this one. Then which one of the following can be in a code language the word ROC? So instruction, the sequence of letters and the symbol may not be in the same. So for this one the RUB and the CUB we will compare, and with one OUR. So here U is a common, here the U common, even B also common, B also common, and here only the U common. So if you compare these three cases, so you will find out the U means this symbol. Okay, so means U, we can say this symbol like this one, so means ROC. For this one we require the O also. So after this one we will compare RUB and OUR. So in this comparisons, means sorry, in this one the common is a, after this U there is a triangle, so means R is a like a triangle shape like this shape, and this is given in option number 1 like this one, R means like this shape. Okay, so and option number 4 also the same, but option number 2 and the 3 is a different one. So option number 1 and 4 out of this one may be possible. Then for the O we have to check this one. As we know R is like this one and U is like this one, so means O is a this forms, means O is like this, like a circle, and circle for O means here shown, but here different one. So that's why option number 1 is incorrectly. Option number 4 is possible. Then C, for C, CUB, and this after this UB, U, as we know this U is a symbolic form is this one, and B also in this comparison this is a B, so B is like this one. So after this one only the C is balanced, so only the C balance means that is a this symbol. So C is a square and inside the dot, and this for the C is shown correctly in option number 4. So that's why option number 4 is the correctly, means we have to compare each cases. Then question number 4, in a code SON is like this one, SUN in the same format, so FUN in the symbolic form. In the same code language, how will you write the word UFO? Now, if you compare, there is a common N and the S, and with this SON and FUN, the common is the N, and the same in this one, the common is this symbol. So means we can say N is equals to this symbol. After this one, the S and here the S common, so means there is a positive signs, mean that is the S, so that S is a positive sign like this one. So after these two there is a division sign, means that is a N, so N is equals to, we can say this sign, and here the S, sorry, this is O, so O means like this form. So as we know, after this U and the S and the N we know, so after these two symbols there is a this symbol, means that is a U, so U means this cross symbol. So we will compare this one, so U and N know, U and the N we know, so means these two symbols, means that is a F, means that is a F is equals to like a square shape. So for this one UFO, so U means this X, then F means this symbol, and O means like this division symbol. So this is our case, and this is given in option number 2. Then question number 5, in the following table letters are represented by the symbol. So letters and the symbols are there. Using the above symbols, how you will write the POOR? So P means this one, so that symbol will comes first. So here that is the first is shown in only option number 1. So option number 3, 2 and 4 are incorrectly. Then O means 2 times this one, so that is a correctly shown, and then R, this symbols is correctly shown. So that means option number 1 is the correct one. Then we are going to see the exercise 10.3. So for the question 1 and the 2, in a code symbol are written in a letter, observe them and answer the question. So in a table the letters and the respective symbols are given. So question number 1, how will you write antonym of the word HARD using the above symbols? As we know, the hard's antonyms is a soft. So for the soft, or we can say that is easy also, so EASY. So for this hard and the easy, so E means this symbol, so these two lines like this one, then A means like this one, then S means like this one, and then Y is here this symbol. So and these are given in option number 4. Then question number 2, how we will write the word Sunday using the above symbol? So means S is here, so this symbol is at the starting, so means here, here and here. Option number 1 is a different one. Now U is square like symbol, so here the square, here also square, and here also square. Then N is there, N means this cross one, here the cross one, here the cross one, and here also the cross. Then D means this triangular forms, here the triangular, here also triangular, but here different, so option number 4 is incorrectly. Then we will check for the option number 2 and the 3. Then A is there, so A means this symbol, so this symbol is correctly shown, but here the different one, so option number 3 is incorrectly. After this one the Y, so Y is this symbol is correctly shown, so that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 3 and the 4, study the code given the below and answer the question. So in the table letter and their respective symbols are shown. So question number 3, how we will write the word HOMESICK, homesick, by using the above symbol. So H having this symbol, so at the starting all options shown correctly. Then O O means this symbol. So this symbol here shown, but here the difference. So option number 4 is incorrectly. Here. So option 1 and 3 also shown correctly. Then M is there. M means this symbol. So here the different symbol. So option number 2 is incorrectly. Here shown correctly means 1 and 3. Then E. E means this solid circle. So here the same. After this one the S is there, and S means this correctly symbol shown. Then I for this square. So I having these squares, but here the triangular shown. So option number 1 is incorrectly. So option number 3 we will check further. Then C means this symbol, and then K means this symbol. So means option number 3 is the correct one as per the matching with letters and the symbols. Then question number 4, which word is formed by using the symbols? So this symbol is for the D, then this symbol for E, then this symbol for the H, and this one for the R, this triangle for the A, this symbol is for the D, and this one for the U, and this one for the N. And means this is Dehradun. So this is given in option number 4. Then question number 5. In a code, the word FUN is written as in a symbolic form like this one, then WAN like this one, and FEW is like this one. How you will write the word FAN in this code? So on the common, find out in the common basis. So FUN, and we will compare the WAN. So here the common is N, and in this one the common is a circle. So means N means this one. Then we will compare furtherly for FEW and FUN. So here the F is common. So in this one the triangle is common. So means F, we can say this triangular symbol. Then N know and F we know. So means this U is a this square symbol. After this one we will compare these two. Means for the W is here in a common. So in a symbolic form there is a positive sign is common, means W is equals to this positive sign. So then after this one W and N we know, so that is a O, and this positive sign means A is equals to this negative sign. So A is equals to this negative sign, and then as we know W value and then F value, so remaining is here E. So means here the W value is positives and the F value is this triangle. So means E is cross. So E is equals to this cross sign. So on this basis now we will solve FAN. So F A and the N is equals to F means this triangle, A means this minus sign, and the N means like this symbol. So this is given in option number 4. Then question number 6. In a code, the term FROM is written as like this one. ROAD as this symbol, and the classmate is in this one. How you will write the word roommate? So from this one means there is a pairing we have to do with the symbols, means FR and the OM. So this is the pair. So this symbol is for these two alphabets, and this one is for the two alphabets. Like this one, this symbol is for the RO and this symbol is for the AD. Same here, the class having this symbol and the mate having this symbol. So as we know, mate having this symbol and a room. So RO means this one symbol, and the OM from this one this symbol. So means if we find out this one, so this is given in option number 2. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 7. In a code, the word SHARE is written as this one, and POEN as in this format of the symbol. Then how will you write the SPHERE in the code? So S means this one. So this is for the S, this is for the H, then A, then R, and then E. So on this basis, S means this one. So the starting of this symbol is should be from this one in options. So option number 4 is incorrectly. Then P means P having the first symbol means this one. So after the S there is a should be the P. So this and this option number 1 is the incorrectly. Then H means this square symbol. So this one is the correct. Then E having this O like a O. So after this one, so O is shown here, but here the triangle shown. So that's why option number 3 is incorrectly. Only the option number 2 we will check further. So after this one, the R means triangle. So triangle, and again the E means this O like a shape. So that's why option number 2 is a correctly. Then question number 8. In a code, the word AGENCY is written as these two symbols. Then BAT and MAN is written as these two symbols. Then how will you write the word MANGE in this code? Now here, if you make the grouping of this one equally, so age means this symbol, and here also age means this symbol. So means the triangle should be there, and the here bat and the MAN. So here the two symbols means MAN having these symbols means like this one. So means manage, for this man we will replace this one. So this manage means this symbol, and this is given in option number 4. Now question number 9. In a code, the word peacock is written as these two symbols. Then tailless is written as this one. So how we will write the word cocktail? Now here the two symbols for the 6 words, so meaningful words, so we will separately like this one, P and cock. So after this one, the tail and the lace. So these two symbols means the tail having these symbols, so like this one, and the cock having this circle. So like this one, cock having these solid circles, okay, and this is the square shape. So this like this one and this one. So this is given in option number 4. Then question number 10. In a code, the PEN is written as in a symbolic form like this one. Then TOP in this one symbol, and then PET like these symbols. Then in order of the letter, digits may not be in the same order. So how will you write the word NET? So same, we will make the comparison to find out the common things. So after the common things, you will find out P is equals to O symbol. But if you see, this P is not mentioned in NET, and but respective of the P, these three options have here also have, means these three options are not related to the NET. So that's why we can say the remaining means option number 4 can be related to this NET. So this code means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 11. In a code, the word permission is written as in this symbolic form. Then how will you write the word MOR? So in this one, M is on from this one the 4th number. So 1, 2, 3 and the 4th. Then that is a from the cross. So that is a starting with the cross. This is a M. Then O is from this one the second number. So from this one second number, this is the O. So means star and then addition sign. So from this one, star and then addition sign, star and then addition sign, cross and the addition sign. So option number 1 and the 4 are incorrectly. Then R means the here the third number from the left. So 1, 2 and 3. So means that is a square shape or symbolic form. So that is given in option number 3. Option number 2 is a different one, means option number 3 can be. Then E having the second from this left side, this is a like a O or circle. So this is the correctly shown. So that's why option number 3 is the perfectly after this respective alphabets and the symbol matching. Then question number 12. Study the letter and the symbol indicating the letter in the following chart. So for this one, how will you indicate the word opposite of this word? So hot opposite is the cold, COLD, and C means this shape. So this will be the first comes. So that is shown in option number 2 and 3 and the 4. Option 1 is the different one. Then O means this triangle and inside dot is there. So this is shown in option number 2 and 3. Option number 4 is a different one. Then L is means square like shape. So square like this symbol. So option number 3 is correctly. Option number 2 is a different one. So option number 3 is correctly shown. Then D having these symbols, and this symbol is correctly shown. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 13. In a code, the group of the letter A, B, C is equals to in this symbol. Then D, B, E are shown in the symbol as shown here, and the D, F, C in this symbol. So which group of the letter is represented by the symbol like this one? The letter and the symbols are not same in order. So for this one, the common in these two are the B, and here the common is the this symbol. So means this symbol is equals to B. Then after this one, we will compare this two. So here the common is the D. So in a symbolic form, here the common is a O shape. Means this O like this one is equals to the D. Then D and O we know means these two symbol means E. We can say that is a division symbol. So this is a E. After this one, we know this D, F, E, C and A, B, C. So here the C is a common. So here also the C common. And after this D, so in this one, the common is cross. Means we can say this cross is equals to C. B symbol we already know, which is this one, and this symbol is C. So left is a minus sign, that is equals to the A. So that we can say the A. So on this basis, these three symbols means this one E, then this positive signs means B, and then this cross sign means this C, means EBC, and EBC is shown in option number 2. Then instructions for question number 14 and the 15. Observe the table for letters and the symbols and answer the questions given below. So there are the letters and the symbols. So which symbol will be used to write the word MAYOR? So MA, these two symbols will be come first. So these two symbols are shown here and here, but option number 4 and the 2 are different ones. So that's why option number 2 and 4 are incorrectly. Then Y and O, Y and O. So this will be at the third one, and the O means this one at the fourth one. So this option number 3 is incorrectly because of this difference shown. Option number 1 is the correctly one. Then at the last R means this star like shape. So that is correctly. So that's why option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 5. So there are the symbols given. Which word will be formed by using these symbols? So for this one, this is a S. So S is there. So all the options are showing with the S. Then this symbol is respect to the T. So here the T, here T, here T, and here also the T. Then this symbol means E. So here the E, here E, here E, here A. So option number 4 is incorrectly. After this one, then this symbol is for the A. So after this one, E here, here also E, means option number 2 and 1 is incorrectly. So here A shown in option number 3. After this one, this triangle like shape, and that is a M. So here also M shown. Then E, yes, correctly. So E is given, and then after this one, this symbol means the R, and this symbol for R means option number 3 is the correct one. Thank you.